Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step.
What are your future plans?
I plan big achievements.
Where do you see yourself?
I see leadership roles.
What career will you choose?
I will choose engineering.
Will you study abroad?
Yes, I will study.
Why are goals important?
Goals give life direction.
How will you succeed?
I will work consistently.
What motivates you daily?
My dreams motivate me.
Will you start business?
Yes, I will start.
What skills will you learn?
I will learn technology.
How will you grow?
I will improve daily.
What will you study?
I will study business.
Which university interests you?
A reputed university interests.
Will you move cities?
Yes, I will relocate.
When will you graduate?
I will graduate soon.
Will you learn languages?
Yes, I will learn.
What inspires your dreams?
Success stories inspire me.
Who supports your ambitions?
My family supports me.
Will you work overseas?
Possibly, I will work.
How will you prepare?
I will prepare carefully.
What challenges do you expect?
Competition and uncertainty ahead.
Will you save money?
Yes, I will save.
Where will you live?
I will live comfortably.
What job suits you?
Creative jobs suit me.
Will technology help you?
Technology will support growth.
How will you improve?
I will practice daily.
What hobbies will continue?
Reading will continue always.
Will you travel often?
Yes, I will travel.
What country attracts you?
America attracts me greatly.
Will you help family?
Yes, I will help.
How will you balance life?
I will prioritize wisely.
What degree seems useful?
A technical degree helps.
Will you change careers?
Maybe, if necessary.
What experience do you need?
Practical experience is needed.
Will internships help you?
Yes, internships help growth.
How will you network?
I will attend events.
What books will guide?
Motivational books will guide.
Will you pursue masters?
Yes, I will pursue.
What skills need improvement?
Communication needs improvement.
Will you attend workshops?
Yes, I will attend.
How will you stay focused?
I will avoid distractions.
What are short goals?
Short goals build foundation.
What are long goals?
Long goals shape future.
Will you take risks?
Yes, I will risk.
How will you manage stress?
I will exercise regularly.
What habits will change?
I will change laziness.
Will you wake early?
Yes, I will wake.
How will you track progress?
I will review weekly.
What mentors will guide?
Experienced mentors will guide.
Will you join clubs?
Yes, I will join.
How will you stay positive?
I will think positively.
What projects excite you?
Innovative projects excite me.
Will you learn coding?
Yes, I will learn.
How will technology shape future?
Technology will transform careers.
What leadership roles interest?
Management roles interest me.
Will you volunteer locally?
Yes, I will volunteer.
How will you gain confidence?
Practice will build confidence.
What certifications will help?
Professional certifications will help.
Will you build portfolio?
Yes, I will build.
How will you overcome fear?
I will face fear.
What industry attracts you?
Technology industry attracts me.
Will remote work suit?
Yes, remote suits me.
How will you earn income?
I will earn professionally.
What investments seem smart?
Safe investments seem smart.
Will you buy house?
Yes, someday surely.
How will you support parents?
I will care always.
What lifestyle do you want?
Simple lifestyle suits me.
Will you continue studies?
Yes, I will continue.
How will you stay healthy?
I will eat healthy.
What time management strategies?
Planning helps manage time.
Will you set deadlines?
Yes, strict deadlines.
How will you celebrate success?
I will celebrate modestly.
What failures might teach?
Failures teach valuable lessons.
Will you move abroad?
Possibly, if opportunity comes.
How will culture affect you?
Culture will broaden perspective.
How will you raise children?
I will teach values.
What values guide decisions?
Honesty guides my decisions.
Will you start non-profit?
Yes, maybe later.
How will you give back?
I will serve community.
What innovations inspire you?
Modern innovations inspire me.
Will you create startup?
Yes, I will create.
How will you fund dreams?
I will save funds.
What risks worry you?
Financial risks worry me.
Will you seek mentors?
Yes, I will seek.
How will you measure growth?
I will track milestones.
What daily routine helps?
Morning routine helps productivity.
Will you learn communication?
Yes, I will learn.
How will you stay disciplined?
Discipline ensures steady progress.
What habits ensure success?
Consistent habits ensure success.
Will you explore creativity?
Yes, I will explore.
How will you manage time?
I will prioritize tasks.
What dreams feel impossible?
Big dreams feel impossible.
Will you chase them?
Yes, I will chase.
How will you face criticism?
I will accept criticism.
What inspires long vision?
Passion inspires long vision.
Will you relocate internationally?
Yes, if possible.
How will you build reputation?
I will work honestly.
What legacy will remain?
My legacy will inspire.
How will future change?
Future will bring opportunities.